What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Man, you guys caught the video yesterday where we finally got that Road King looking a little bit different. We picked up the paint set for it and pretty much tied it all in together. Now we're still waiting on our chrome lowers to pretty much finish this front end off, so we don't got to do it more than once. So when I go back to LA to drop off the paint set for our Road Glide that's at BBV, I'm gonna be picking up them chrome lowers and we'll be able to get back and complete this bike off. Meanwhile, today, man, I gotta go make some runs. I'm gonna go head up to Harley, see what's the update on our 131, man, because you guys know we got the wheels and stuff back there, so I'm like more anxious than ever right now to get that thing back and ride that thing, man. I can't wait. Meanwhile, I've been getting some input back from the AZ ride. Now, you know I had my girl on the back with me in AZ, man, so I wasn't able to get cracking like I wanted to, so people was really taking advantage of pulling up and skirting off. And to hear that news way back out here in LA and all that, I just know I'm not giving nobody no more passes. So if you pull up on the side of me, you getting drugged. Ain't no other way around it. No nothing, you getting drugged. So just be ready. If you ever pull up on me, man, I'm not giving you no cuts, not giving you no passes. I'm gonna just dog you real quick, so just be ready. In the meantime, we gotta go head up to BBV to see what's up with our 2019 Road Glide. I'm ready to get that paint set broken down and taken down to Antonio. I can't wait for that thing to be ready. And then we gotta go pick up our wheels, man. So a few things we gotta do today. We can drop some stuff off at the powder coat shop and do all the little stuff we can do. But if you guys entered the big one, man, make sure you check the community post, man. The list and names are posted right there in the community section of my YouTube, man. If you guys entered the big one, I definitely appreciate it, man. We'll be going live Friday, April 15th to pick the winner of the big one, so I can't wait. If you guys missed out on the big one, man, it's never the end of the road, man. You know we bringing that static back. I'm giving away my BMW i8 paired together for first place with our 2018 Road King right here. When this thing is done, it's gonna look freaking bomb. I pretty much plan to have this thing looking exactly like the i8, so the BMW i8 and the Road King will be first place. And I'm thinking about putting a cam and some stuff on this one, man, so I can't wait. This thing will definitely be doing wheelies, so on and so forth, man. For second place, man, we got our Road Glide with the built 131 on that joint, man. I can't wait to go pick that up in a couple days. They should be opening up the box with the actual crate motor today, man, so I'm gonna go down there and see if we can capture that. And for third place, man, we got our 2019 Road Glide that'll be in that CVO chalk gray, man, so I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you gotta do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy you a camo Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We'll be going live tomorrow picking the winner of the big one, man. So like I said, if you guys missed out on that one, get into the static now because we are giving away a whole bunch of better prizes, man. The i8, the Road King for first place, a Road Glide for second place, and another Road Glide for third place, man. So the time is now. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get a hat and support your boy, man. Meanwhile, it's time to go up and get this day started, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do first, but we're gonna figure it out. And then I'm just in here in the garage right now, man. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. This thing is looking so freaking good. I just got some good news and stuff. So now a few people haven't got their hats yet, man, and I ain't gonna even hold you. FedEx pretty much lost the package like with everybody's hat and stuff, but they literally just found it and it's on the delivery truck on the way to my house right now. So I'm like more than excited because it's like perfect timing. We're about to be giving this stuff away, so I really wanted everything shipped out beforehand, and it's looking like it just might work out, man. So I can't wait. FedEx should be here in a little bit to deliver that thing, and we'll be pretty much busy all day getting them stuff packaged up. So what I'm gonna do is pretty much just take these to a powder coat real quick. There's nothing much we can do. Every bike is finished. That Blue Thunder is finished, of course. This is finished, of course. We're going live giving both of these away in a couple days. So our main focus is the Road King, which we can't do much more on it. One of you guys in the comments, man, I appreciate you guys. I was thinking about taking these bars back up to a BBV because the wires didn't come out and extend more, but you guys were like, bro, just get the extensions from Dennis Kirby or whatever. So I got the extensions for those. I got 2 sets for the Road King and then the Road Glide, so that way when we get the 131 back, we can do those bars and stuff ourselves. Meanwhile, we got to take these up to the powder coat just so when we get our 2019 Road Glide back, the support brackets and stuff will already be ready to go and we ain't got to do that. I'm gonna try to get some stuff done before all these packages and stuff get here, and I gotta like get to work for real. So I'm gonna get it going. Man, it's crazy. We ain't really drove this truck at all since we got back from AZ, which is like a week and a half, 2 weeks almost now, man. And getting back in this truck, it feels freaking good, comfortable, smooth, and everything. It's just the gas situation. Putting gas in this big old truck is never fun, man. So that's why I've been having it parked. But today we're gonna use it up and see what we can get done. Maybe get a wash or something. I don't know. I'm really not trying to spend that type of money for a wash either. We'll figure it out, man. Let's head up to 6651 and drop this support bracket off so we can get them things a fresh powder coat black, man. I can't wait. It's gonna make that thing look so much more better. So we're gonna see what's good. Alrighty guys, so I'm leaving 6651 right now. Definitely still got the support stuff in the in the back right here. It's crazy, dude. I don't know what's up with people nowadays. Like, they literally just make up a price. I done brought way more stuff and paid less. We'll move on to the next spot, man. And I did pull up to my original powder coat shop where we got all our rims and stuff done, and man, they got us right for 40 bucks. That's how you save $100 doing what you need to do and messing with the people that mess with you, man. So that's dope. It's good to know people is still good folks out here, man. So now that we got that done and out the way, man, it's good to freaking have people that own businesses that actually have a set price. And not only that, they don't really just come up with prices off how they're feeling for that day. It's funny, I literally took way more pieces to get powder coated before, and it was way less than what these simple 2 pieces were, man. So not gonna deal with anybody that really doesn't want to deal with me, man. That's just the point where I'm at in life. So, you know, you gotta mess with who mess with you, man. So I can't wait. My guys are gonna get me right quick, fast, and in a hurry, and they're gonna be just as good, if not better. So I can't wait. The bracket supports are in. Now let's go up to BBV and see if we got an update or anything on our Glide, because I need to get that paint set to the paint shop, and they're kind of holding me back right now. It's like we're waiting on the oil cooler, but if that's all we're waiting on, they might as well get the other stuff finished up, and then I can just take it home and start taking the paint set apart, and they can do the oil cooler and stuff after I put it back together. But I don't know, man, just a thought. We'll see what happens. Let's go up here and see what they got rocking for us, man. Alrighty guys, just pulled up to BBV. About to get up in here and see what they got done on the Road Glide. It may not be much more, but actually here it is right here. I'm like, I knew it might not be much more, but we are ready to go. You guys see the wiring and stuff. Definitely a whole lot cleaner, man. So we're literally just waiting on our oil cooler. What you guys see is like kind of bent down there. So no big deal there. We can actually probably take the bike and then get it together. They still didn't do this wire. I don't understand why they waiting so long to do that, man. I'm trying to get this stuff done and out of here. And that's the thing about having your bike at a shop and waiting for them, you know. They work on their own time. However, we still gotta wait for parts, so I guess it works out. But you guys see it here, it's all aired up. Got the air ride suspension all pumped up, juiced up, ready to go. It looks like we got that S&S Sidewinder pipe like we had on Black Widow. I don't know if this is the one with the cats or not, but all in all, it is looking pretty fair, man. I can't wait to get this thing all situated in the CVO grade. This thing is gonna look freaking amazing, dog. What y'all think about this joint? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. We're gonna get it together. Go up in here and see how much longer we gotta wait. Let's see. Yo. What's up, man? How you doing?
Oh, you know, another day in paradise.
Hey, man, I hear you, man. I hear you. Y'all see they got the RZRs. What's up, man?
Got all the cooler and stuff.
Oh, you just got it?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
See, that's what I'm talking about, man. That was like perfect timing.
Hey, where you
Okay, they got the bike in here with the other air ride suspension going up. What's up, man? How you doing?
All right, good. How's it going, bro?
Man, cool and good seeing you, dog. Got this thing looking sick over here, man. I need one of these like stands in my shop or something, in my house, in my garage. It make everything a little bit more organized.
Right?
Yeah. So what's up, man?
So, we got the hose.
You okay?
That's ripped
Oh,
back.
that's okay, bet.
And then the cooler.
Great.
So the cooler was the one.
So we might be ready today, you think?
Well, he's got one job, and
Right.
then yours goes up next.
Sounds
so.
good. Sounds good. I'm gonna say what's up to my guy real quick. What's up, man?
What's going on, man?
How you doing?
All right.
Man, good seeing you, dog. Yes, sir. Y'all see us out here going up, man. Let's see what the damage is, Dan. What's the damage, John? What's up, man? How you doing? Good seeing you, man. Y'all see where we at, man. BBV. They got all the motorcycles you need, man. If you ain't on ground yet and you want to get on ground, they gonna get you on ground real nice and fast, man. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see my guy out there in a big dually truck, man. He had just walked up like, bro, your truck is freaking nice, man. So shout out to my guy in a dually with the big trailer on the back, man. But yeah, we out here on our way up to Harley right now to see what's good, man. Alrighty, guys, just pulled up to Harley. About to go check on our 131 build real quick. I don't know if they even took it out the box yet or let alone even started it. I doubt it, but you know, we shall see, man. Is that the man with the plan?
Hey, what's up, man?
Y'all see what's going on, man? We out here ready and anxious, man.
Yeah?
Ready and
We're
anxious,
getting
dog.
close. We're getting close. He's still working through a few things, but I'm getting there.
Okay, so we didn't start it yet.
Not yet.
Did we
Yeah.
crank open the box yet?
No, but if you want to, we can do that.
We can definitely do that if we if you got some time.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
So man, I've been hearing some stuff from when I went to Arizona. You know, I was playing with people I was revving my motor. They was getting the amperage to like take off on me.
Yeah.
Got back, my dad hit me and was like, man, why you letting people take off on you? They said they beat you, all this other stuff. I'm like, bro, I ain't even raced. So this build, I'm about to knock some heads off with this build, man. I'm not giving nobody no more slack.
Yeah.
No nothing. So we gotta have this one.
We can even take the little badges off so it doesn't say 131.
Yeah.
Just make it
We gotta have it like a sleeper, knock some heads off, man. I can't wait. Y'all see what's going on, man. We about to check out this 131 up here at Harley Performance Center, man. Y'all see what's going on. Man, y'all see what's going on, man. I guess when you spin that bag, you get the bag. Now, I don't know if this is like a bike cover or what, but it was free, so shout out to Harley. You know, when you spend thousands of dollars, man, that's like the least they can do, but we're all good. We should be able to see that motor unboxed here in a second, so I can't wait. Man, what you doing up here, man?
What's good?
What you doing up here, man? Got that joint. What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm good. You?
Man, cool. Another day, dog.
know, right?
Another day, man. I get to find out what's on this bill. It seemed like you about to bring it to my guy. You got some high power stuff on here, man. Ooh, and he diamond cut. See, I didn't get to see it up close this weekend because you was pulling off as I was pulling up. But I ain't even see you was diamond cut, man. Y'all see what's going on? My God, you ain't playing, man. So what's up, man? We ready for Dallas or what?
Yes, sir. That's why we here.
Okay. See, that's why I'm here too, because I've been hearing, I ain't gonna hold you. One of your club members pulled up on me when we was in AZ. I wasn't really trying to race, but he was trying to race. So when it got back to me, because my dad called me, was like, man, why you let them Rare Breeze dude pull up on you like that? I'm like, huh? So now I know I'm not giving nobody no more passes. If they pull up on me, I'm just letting you know now, man. It's game time. Yeah, it's going down. That's for sure. But yeah, man, y'all see my guy out here, the president, Rare Breed, Las Vegas, man. Got the bike out here going up. Y'all ain't playing, man. We getting ready for Dallas, man. That's why we here. I can't wait.
Yep.
Good seeing you, man. Yeah. Alrighty, man. The time of the hour. The best part of the video.
Yeah.
The moment I've been waiting for. And I know some of you guys been waiting for, man. I'm so excited to get this thing done and like, oh, wow. So much for the talking and the conversation. Here we are right here, front and center. Do not stack, fragile. Ooh, I can't wait to see what's up in here, man. Dang. Let's see it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dang, I see some action. Woo. That's that 131. Oh my God, with the S and the E on top of that. Oh my goodness.
Head straight into the heads.
It just got real, y'all.
Yep.
It just got real, man. It just got real. Big 131 crate. All for your boy. 131 big dog. I'm on live right now, man. So if y'all not following me on Instagram yet, man, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Everything's Regular. Woo!
There it is.
There it is, the big 131, the big one. Woo-wee. I'm excited now, dog. That's crazy. Look at that thing. You got the Screaming Eagle heads on that joint and all that. Oh man, it's time to go crazy. Yeah, that chrome looks really sick, man.
There we go.
Oh my goodness, let's get on this side.
It's even better.
Oh yeah. This is sick. So, oh dang, here y'all go. The 131 stage, what is that? Stage 4 or 5?
Stage 4.
Stage 4, hey man. You know, I'm with the IV, all I think is Grand Theft Auto, so. Nah, it's good, man. Y'all see it here first, man. Fresh and out the box. Big 131 for yours truly.
Fresh.
I can't wait, man. So we got to take it easy on this build, just like any other run.
Right, totally.
Okay, bet.
1,000 miles, nice and gentle.
1,000 of them? Oh my God.
Do the 1,000.
Do the 1,000, man. Well, y'all see it here first, man. We got the whole Screaming Eagle kit and all that, man. So we don't just got the motor, right? We got a little bit more stuff we're going
There's
into.
a couple
right?
other things that are in the back still, but this is the crown jewel. So.
Right. Now, when I say going into it, I mean like power pack wise. It's not just gonna be this, of course, right?
Yeah, there's a couple other goodies that are
okay.
that are
So
coming
y'all,
your way.
you guys peep that, man. I'm just making sure they heard that right there.
Yeah.
This thing looks sick though. I can't wait, man. My guy John is the man with the plan, man. We about to get it going. Appreciate you, bro. Thanks a lot. Just like that, guys, we did make it back home. Like I told you previously, man, FedEx had pretty much lost our packages, so they found them, delivered us the package today with the box like halfway open, man. So finally got the rest of the orders packed up and shipped, well, ready to ship out in the morning. So about time we go live, everybody's hat should be shipped off and ready to go. Meanwhile, we did pick up our flush gas cap mount from Harley. So we'll be able to get this mounted up on there. They didn't have a chrome one, unfortunately, but this black one will be just as good. So we'll sit that in there. And then Harley did give us like a little souvenir gift type. They say this is like a blanket or whatever, but I'm gonna probably open it up later or something. We'll see what's up, but so far so good, man. We got some work done today. I'm excited that the hats and stuff came today, so that was like a big relief off my shoulders. Then on top of that, man, I've been ripping and running around doing a lot of paperwork for this housing stuff, man. So just the freaking thought of this being like behind, this stuff back here being behind, and then dealing with all the housing stuff, ripping and running back and forth to LA, going all over town, man. It's just been crazy, but we finally back in the garage. We pretty much caught back up. The list is out on my community section of my YouTube, man. Go check it out now. It's go time. We're going live Friday, 6 p.m. picking the winner. If you guys missed out on the big one, man, and still want a shot at winning a Harley or a car, man, you guys know we bringing that static, man. I'm giving away my BMW i8 paired together for first place with the matching Road King back here. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2018 Road Glide with the built 131 on that joint we just seen today. And then third place, we got our 2019 Road Glide. That's going to be in that CVO gray, man. So I can't wait to get that thing back probably tomorrow. I thought it was going to be today, but more than likely it's going to be tomorrow. So that's going to be perfect, being that we got all this stuff packaged up and shipped out. So tomorrow we can just head up there, get to work on that, start busting that thing down, probably take it and get back just in time to do the giveaway, man. That's what I'm thinking. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. Today was a little bit short of a day, but more importantly, it was a day that we was able to get a lot of stuff done, man. So I can't wait. Like I said, it's only me doing this, man. So I'm packaging up everything one by one, man. So just be considerate, man. Be patient. I will never forget about you, man. You guys supported me. I appreciate you guys being patient. If you guys haven't received your hat, man, it's probably right here and you'll have it within the next couple days or so. Like I said, it's not up to me. If I can do everything myself, everything will be done flawlessly without a hiccup and on time and on schedule. But you know, when you're dealing with a whole lot of other people, anything can happen. So you just got to make the best of the situation, man, and always try to come out on top, man. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. Like I said, man, it's almost time to go live, man. If you guys missed out on this one, get into the static, man, because that one is a really good one. If you guys want a really nice bike, you guys know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to Everything's Regular YouTube channel, man. We on this road to 100,000 subscribers, man. So I appreciate y'all, but I'm gonna have to get back in there and get to work, man.